Are you hosting your school's Independence Day celebration? In the next few minutes, you'll get a complete, professional English anchoring script that's easy to deliver and sure to impress your teachers and audience. Let's begin. Good morning, respected principal, honorable teachers, dear parents, and my dear friends. A very warm welcome to everyone on the joyous occasion of the 79th Independence Day of India. Today, we gather here to celebrate the day when our nation achieved freedom after years of struggle and sacrifice. We pay our heartfelt tribute to the brave freedom fighters whose courage and dedication made our independence possible. Let us begin this celebration with great pride and respect. Now, I request our respected principal, sir, madam, to hoist the national flag. Kindly stand in attention for the national anthem. After the national anthem, thank you, everyone. Freedom is not just a gift, it is a responsibility. As responsible citizens, let us promise to respect our nation, protect its unity, and contribute towards its progress through honesty, kindness, and hard work. Now, I would like to invite our respected principal, sir, madam, to address the gathering with inspiring words. After the speech, thank you, sir, madam, for your motivating message. Now, let us enjoy the cultural performances prepared by our talented students, celebrating the spirit of patriotism and the rich diversity of our country. As we conclude today's celebration, let us remember that the future of India is in our hands. Together, let us work towards making our nation stronger, cleaner, and more prosperous. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, thank you, and have a wonderful day. If this script helped you, please like, subscribe, and share. Happy Independence Day.